Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out different makeup styles. I am running short on time, so I'm gonna do my base as I do my intro. Just a little bit of background. I've been doing my makeup since like sophomore year of high school, and I'm now on my second semester of college. These are the products that I'm using for my, these are just e.l.f. concealers and L'Oreal True Match foundation. As of recently, it's looked the same. So we're gonna try something different. I've been loving Chinese makeup lately. We're gonna try it on a brown girl, on the brown girl. I'm gonna quickly do my base and then I'll get back to you. As far as contour, I just did my normal face contour. They do some eye/nose contour that I usually don't do, so we're gonna do that together. Above and below. It looks like this right now. I'm gonna blend it out. Just blended it out. I think it looks okay. But right now I'm gonna focus on my eyebrows and my highlight. For eyebrows, they're usually just very like thin and straight. For highlight, I would just put it like under my eyes and on my nose. And I think that's it. Maybe my lip, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so DOUYIN makeup seems to focus a lot on eye makeup, so I'm gonna try to do a killer wing. Maybe some like very exaggerated lashes. I do not wear falsies, unfortunately, but I think with my natural lashes I can make something work. I do think I need to line the under to finish this and get dressed for class. Right? It's gonna be okay. Oh wow, that actually made a pretty big difference. And I think it's just to the mid-eye. It's not like all the way to the front. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Okay. I don't think there's any eyeshadow from what I'm seeing. Yeah, maybe just like a light base. It looks like there's just a little bit of like a shimmer type of, just like a light kind of pinky base. That's all I'm really seeing, so we're gonna put a little pink. I chose this pink because yes, my skin is dark, so this is it's gonna have a cloudy feel because the base of this color is white. Now the hard part, lashes. I don't have any glitter, guys. I know there's glitter involved. I don't have any glitter, nor do I really want that on my eyes. So we're just gonna do, I think they do like clumpier lashes, so I'm gonna try to do that. And also bottom lashes as well, which I usually don't do, but we're gonna see how that turns out. Okay, I just put the top lashes on. I'm gonna attempt to kind of clump them, clean my lids too. It looks questionable. In real life, it looks cute. On here, it just looks silly and stupid. We're just gonna move on to the lash. And I think that's it. Or blush and lips. Lips, and then finish it up. I know they like a very matte face, so I'm gonna put powder on before I do my lips. I'm using this lip tint that I ordered on Amazon that I saw on TikTok. It's from Aliber. And I put it on the inside and the tip of my lips like this. It's very similar. And then can add some gloss, and I think I'm done. Kind of throwing me off here. And this is what it looks like. And does this look like DOUYIN makeup? I don't know. But
it kind of looks like my normal makeup, but just like a little bit heavier.
So, okay, I need to get ready for school now. So, I will see you guys later. I know you can't see me, but I really wanted to drink coffee this morning, but now I definitely do not have time. Oh man, I left my water. Go. Kind of early today? What? Like I'm way earlier than usual and I filmed a YouTube video? Bye dog.
Well, like the definition of right, what counts or what doesn't count, and art is, you know, important for sort of